Backup strategies using NAS network-attached storage. In today's data-driven world, protecting digital assets is crucial for both businesses and individuals. NAS network-attached storage. Devices offer a reliable, centralized, and cost-effective solution for data backup. Implementing the right backup strategies using NAS can help ensure data availability, business continuity, and quick recovery from data loss or system failure. One common effective strategy is the 3-2-1 backup rule. Keep 3 copies of your data, store them on 2 different media, and keep 1 copy off-site. NAS can serve as a primary or secondary local backup storage in this rule, enabling fast and easy restoration. Incremental and differential backups are also important strategies with NAS. Most modern NAS systems support scheduled, automated backups that only copy new or changed files, saving time and storage space. Snapshot technology allows point-in-time copies of data, which is helpful for quickly restoring files after accidental deletion or ransomware attacks. Another useful strategy is NAS-to-NAS replication, where data from one NAS device is mirrored to another, possibly at a different location. This provides real-time disaster recovery capabilities. Similarly, cloud backup integration with NAS devices adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring critical data is preserved even in the event of physical damage to local systems. Lastly, implementing retention policies and versioning ensures that older versions of files are maintained for a specific period, making it easier to roll back to earlier states when necessary. By combining these strategies, NAS becomes a powerful and flexible tool in any comprehensive data protection plan.